Hello everyone, in this lesson you will familiar what is pathogen disease and how these pathogens are spread. So this is page 176 in the book. Communicable diseases are those diseases that can spread from one infected person to a normal person, or from animal or from object to person. And infections are conditions that happen when a pathogens enter the body. So those pathogens could be virus, bacteria, fungus, or protozoa. Then these pathogens multiply and cause harm. Not every time these infections lead to develop disease, but sometimes when the body cannot fight against these infectious agents, then the body develop the disease and infect by the infectious agents. So we have in general 6 ways that pathogens are spread. These ways depend on the type of the infectious agent and the conditions also. So number 1, direct contact with others. Direct contact is any relations, any contact from the infected person to the normal person. So you have to wash your hands, and especially with soap. Number 2, indirect contact with others. Indirect contact, it means by using the equipments and tools from the infected person. For example, the toothbrushes and razors. These equipments can lead and develop infections to the normal person. Number 3, contact with someone else's blood. For example, we have HIV virus that can spread through the blood. The infected syringe needles, for example, can spread from the infected person to a normal person. And also this one is a dangerous virus. Number 4, the sexual contacts. Some diseases, some infections transport from the sexual contact. These infections, called the sexual transmitted infection, STI, such as chlamydia, genital warts, and syphilis. These 3 infections are example for the sexual contact. Number 5, contact with contaminated food or water. So when the water or food contaminated with foodborne or waterborne diseases or infections, so this leads to develop infections to you. So you have to cook foods and every dairy products very well and store them properly. Number 6, contact with animals or insects. Some mosquitoes can spread West Nile virus. So these mosquitoes, insect, act as a vector, act as a way that can transmit or spread the disease from one to another. Also, we have animals that can spread and transport infections. Okay guys, these 3 points are ways that pathogens can spread from one to another. Thank you for watching and listening. Hope all of you got the lesson, and you are free to ask any question.